Hearing care has advanced dramatically in recent years, making diagnosis, treatment, and hearing support more accurate and comfortable than ever before. Modern innovations now allow audiologists to detect hearing changes earlier, personalize treatment plans, and offer safer alternatives to outdated methods like traditional syringing. One of the biggest advancements is microsuction earwax removal, which uses precision tools and visual guidance to safely clear blockages without water pressure. Hearing tests have also evolved. Today's digital hearing assessments provide detailed insights into hearing ability across different frequencies, helping audiologists identify issues that may have gone unnoticed in the past. Hearing aids themselves have seen huge innovation. Many are now discrete, rechargeable, Bluetooth-enabled, and capable of adapting automatically to different sound environments. These advancements improve clarity, comfort, and everyday usability. At Hearing First Oxford, our audiologists stay up to date by continually training in the latest hearing care techniques and using modern diagnostic equipment. This ensures patients receive evidence-based, safe, and effective treatment tailored to their individual needs. Innovation in hearing care isn't just about technology, it's about improving quality of life. By keeping pace with new research and tools, Hearing First Oxford helps patients hear more clearly, comfortably, and confidently.